So if you stand near it during the hot summer or the cold winter and you can feel the temperature change, then yeah, it's not sealed properly. What are the top signs my entry door is costing me money or security? So we get this question a lot. The front door does two things primarily. It keeps you safe, it keeps the weather out. If it's not doing either one of those, then it's probably time to replace that front door. Are you losing a lot of energy through the front door? So if you stand near it during the hot summer or the cold winter and you can feel the temperature change, then yeah, it's not sealed properly. It's not saving your home energy. And then if it's not sealing correctly, then that's a good chance it's not secure. So it means it's probably loose. It probably has gaps around it. So, for the peace of you and your family, you want a secure front door. The door should feel solid. It should lock correctly and no issues there. You don't want the door to be swollen or stuck, like hard to operate. That's just an inconvenience you run into every single day. So if you're seeing those signs of the door is hard to operate, it's swollen shut, there's some adjustments that could be made, but it could also be a sign it's time to replace the front door. And then obviously curb appeal. So the front door is a statement piece for your home. And adding a front door that is a statement also increases your home's value. And it increases the curb appeal. So your neighbors can see it, everyone who drives by can see your beautiful front door. So that's a great reason to do it as well. So all in all, if you're having some issues with draftiness, you can feel the cold, you can feel the heat coming through the door. There could be various reasons for that, but it could be just time to replace it. And obviously with the security issue, you want to feel safe and secure. So when you lock the door, it's going to be really difficult for someone to get in. It's not just an entry, it's a statement piece for your home. So keep those things in mind. That's some of the top reasons that we see people want to replace their front door.